Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can delete any of your installed app on Windows PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to delete any of your installed apps on Windows PC or laptop, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, you will need to go to your Windows settings first. So just click your Windows search bar and search for settings. And then just open it. And once you're on settings, next, I want you to go to the apps section. And then go to installed apps. And here in the Installed Apps section, you will now see all the apps that you installed on your device, so just find the one that you want to delete. You can find it by either scrolling down here until you find the app, or you can also just search for the name of the app on the search bar to quickly find it. And once you've found the app, just click this 3 dots beside it. And then there you go. You can now click Uninstall. And then click Uninstall again to confirm the deletion of the app. And then the app will start uninstalling. The time it takes to finish will depend on the app you're deleting. If the file size is larger, the process may take longer, while smaller apps will uninstall more quickly. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations. You have now completely deleted the app from your device just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.